All right, today I have a Trane Thermostat, and I'm going to show you how to operate this Trane Thermostat, how to use this Trane Thermostat. I'm going to be going through various options, such as how to set the clock, how to set the temperature on this, how to set the auto temperature, and how to have it on. I'm going to go through all of that. But before we get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. We're going to start with how to adjust the time on the Trane Thermostat. You simply look on the screen. This is an illuminated screen. You find the clock. You see this clock right here. I'm going to simply tap on that, and it brings me to the screen right here where I can adjust the hour by going like this, pressing it forward. And once I get the hour that I want, I'll press OK, or if I want to have it PM as opposed to AM, which is currently on, or PM from AM, I simply have to go past 12 or go to at least 12 to change it from AM to PM and vice versa. So after you've set the hour, you're going to go ahead and press this arrow key for over, and it brings you to the minute. Now, once it brings you to the minute, you can press up or down, and it will adjust the minute accordingly. And when you're done with this part of it, go ahead and press OK, and the time is set. The next thing I'm going to talk to you about is how to adjust the temperature. Okay, we have air conditioner and we have heater for this Trane Thermostat, and you can turn the heater on or the air conditioning on by simply tapping this box at the bottom right here. Do you see this where it says off right here? There is a box that it is in right here. You're going to simply tap on the box, illuminate the screen again. And when you tap on the box, it brings you to various options. Currently, it is on off. Now, if I tap it once, it goes to heat. Do you see the heat blinking up? All right. And so if I'm going to adjust the heat is blinking up. I'm going to press OK. And then I can adjust the temperature to where I want the heater to be at. Currently, the room temperature is at 78 degrees Fahrenheit. And if I want it hotter, I have to go past 78 degrees, or I have to go lower and it will not get higher, or the heater will not, will turn on if temperature goes below, say for instance, 74 degrees. All right, so that's how you adjust the temperature. But then there is the fan speed, which I'll get to how to adjust the fan speed. I'll get to it after I do the cooling. All right, so you can adjust the heater like this. When you're done, go ahead and press OK. All right, and so once I've done that, the heater has been set to 77 degrees. I can go over to cooling, air conditioner. See, the flame is heating up right here. I'm going to go to the snowflake. Now snowflake, when it's been blinking like this, I can go ahead and press OK, and then it switches over to air conditioner. Now, once it switches over to air conditioner, I can adjust it accordingly. If I wanted a cooler temperature than what it is in the room, I have to go below 77 degrees. All right, so, or I can have it higher, and the air conditioner won't turn on until it goes above 78 degrees. And once I do that, I can press OK. All right, so I've showed you how to do that. Now, if I want to adjust the fan from being just constantly on, blowing, to just turning on automatically once it reaches the threshold, I'll go back in, okay, tap on that box, and then after I tap on that box, I'll tap Okay, so you don't need to go into that box. What you need to do is tap on this box to the right. So you tap on this box to the right, and I can simply just tap it. It goes from auto to just these right here where it looks like it's blowing and back. And so when it's on auto, the fan will turn on and the air conditioner or heater will turn on when it actually needs to. If you have it blowing just like this, the fan is constantly blowing if the unit is on, giving you a good circulation. I can't even say that today. Circulation, even though the air conditioner or heater has not turned on. So once you make a selection that you want to do at this point, you just go ahead and press OK. And it's either in auto or you can have it in the fan just being on. Now there is another feature. So I'm going to go back over and I'm going to tap on this box right here. And there is an auto feature where it automatically, if I press OK, will detect, it'll automatically turn on the heater or air conditioner accordingly to the temperature that you want. Okay, so say for instance I want it at 79 degrees and then I press OK. When it is in the full auto right here, it will automatically turn on the heater or air conditioning according to the temperature that you set it on. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and actually turn on the air conditioner. Make it a cool 75 degrees. That's like what I'd rather have it set at. So once I've done that, I have the air conditioning set for this, and that's how to use the Trane thermostat. I hope this helps you out some bit. If it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks a lot for watching.